welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross coming to you with another video. And for today's video I came straight out of the shower. Well, actually that's kind of a lie, because I came out of the shower, I did my makeup, and then I came and sit here and do this little video for you guys. You didn't need to know all of that, but anyways, I am gonna share with you guys how I created this hairstyle. I did that with some curly clip-in extensions. These are a few pieces that I didn't use, and as you can see, it's totally not my texture, but it blends in completely fine. And this hairstyles, it normally takes me like max 10 minutes to do, so it is amazing, and it's perfect for those moments where you just have a certain amount of time to get ready, but you want to look bad, bougie, and you know, turn them heads. Anyways, enough talking, let's get started with the video. Bye guys! Hey guys, so we are gonna start off by taking down this hair. My hair is co-washed, and I use the Garnier conditioner to co-wash my hair, and right now it's already parted, as you can see. So yeah, that's easier for me. I already detangled it as well in the shower. I have like a part in the middle going straight all the way to the back. Maybe it's not perfect, but you know, that's perfectly fine for this hairstyle. So for nourishment, I'm gonna use some products that I already have on hand, because I'm just on this mission to try to finish up a lot of products before I buy new ones, because it's just, you know, it's becoming a lot and we need to finish up a few products before we buy new ones. So for my leave-in today, I'm gonna use the Curlific leave-in. This is from Aphogee, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that on my hand, like something like this, and I'm gonna apply that all over my hair. So next I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, and for my moisturizer I'm using my Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream, you know, from Curls. This stuff smells amazing. I'm gonna apply a little bit of that on the section as well. My ends, they need an extra bit of attention, so I'm using that. And I'm also applying a little bit on the roots. Oil, I'm using the E-Blast from Aunt Jackie, and in this order I think I did the LCO method, so don't mind me guys, as long as the hair gets moisturized and, you know, has some nutrition in it before we start pulling and, you know, tugging it and stuff like that. Okay. Now that the hair is all moisturized, I'm gonna start by clipping in my extensions. For extensions, I'm using these extensions from Dream Hair. And there are like 8 clip-in extensions. They don't look as fancy anymore, but they are pretty good and they get the job done. You can see they have a different texture compared to my hair, but when I have them all installed, you won't see that at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay them out and have them, you know, ready to clip them in. I have the hair all laid out, you guys. For this side, I'm gonna use a 3-piece clipper and 2 2-piece clippers. And for the other side, I'm gonna use 2 3-piece clippers and 1 2-piece clippers. I don't know, that's just how they came. So I just tried to, you know, divide it as even as I could. So we're gonna have to work with whatever we have. I'm gonna use this rat tail comb to part my hair and clip in the extensions. When you're, you know, installing your clip-ins, you just want to make sure that they're not too close to the part, because we don't want any tracks exposing, you know. So just to keep that in mind. But other than that, you can just install them however you want. It doesn't need to be perfect. The lines don't need to be perfect. Just make sure it works for you and that you don't have any track exposure. Okay, you guys, we're gonna start braiding the hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some of my gel. For my gel, I'm using the Eco Styler Curl and Wave. It is the pink one from Eco Styler. It's just what I have on hand right now. And I like it, to be honest. I really like this one, so I have no problems with it. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of the gel on the perimeter of my hair. I'm also applying a little bit of that on the part side, you know, to have that really slick and smooth as well. And the next thing you want to do is just brush it and make it really smooth, so it's easier for you to grab hair and braid. And then next I'm just gonna grab this little rattle comb, make a little triangle part to start my braid. So. Once you have like this side all completely braided, you want to add a little bit more of the gel to just you know, slick down all your strands so it can mix better with the hair or with the clip-in extensions. Once I have my hair completely braided, what I like to do is make the braid from here a little looser, so that, you know, the curls can really show through the braid, but it makes it look more realistic, I think, if the braid doesn't look too skinny or something like that. So I just braid it all the way down like that, and that's it. I'm just gonna use a little bit of my water to, you know, make the ends a little wet, but I'm not applying a rubber band or an elastic or anything on the end. I'm just leaving it like this. Then next I'm just gonna do the same steps on the other side.
I love it when she moves like that, moves like that. Perfect form. I love it when she moves like that. She's got perfect form. I love it when she moves like that, moves like that. Perfect form. I love it when she...
Once you have the braids completely done, you can go ahead and lay your edges. I'm gonna use this same Eco Styler gel for that and a toothbrush that I just specifically use for my hair. So I'm just gonna lay my edges with this. That's just the amount that I like. I also like to take down my sideburns a little bit, curl them up a little bit. So I'm also gonna do that. Grab my little brush and just do my little sideburns. That's it. You can tie it if you want with a satin scarf. For the purpose of the video, I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna leave that on for 5 minutes. So let's tie this bad boy down, guys. I'm gonna use this little scarf. It's from Zara, but I don't think that really matters. It just needs to be a satin scarf. And that's it. So I am back, you guys, and I'm gonna, you know, 5 minutes or something like that have passed, and I'm gonna take down the little scarf. And that's how it looks.